Hey guys, I hope you are all good. Today, I will show you that how you can fix your blur screen in your monitor. So let's start the video. Welcome to my channel TW Tech. First you need to right-click on your desktop. And now click on Display Settings. Scroll down and click on Advanced Display Settings. Click on Refresh Rate and increase it by yourself. When you think your monitor looks clean, then you can close the window. So that's how you can fix your problem. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Bye.